greetings from the highest capital in the world, Quito in Ecuador. 2,600 meters, something I think. So yeah, and it's actually, when the sun shines, it's actually not so bad, but in the evenings it gets a bit chilly. So yeah, now gonna explore it, you know, a bit. Like, I'm not really in the old city, like historical center. That's like 4 or 5 kilometer walk from here. But this place is also pretty cool. Lots of pubs, like, you know, if you want to like go out, not too shabby. So yeah, in Ecuador they use US dollar, and yesterday we were in this bar where one pint was like $1. So yeah, what can I say? I haven't explored it yet. This is my first full day in Ecuador, so yeah, I'm gonna see what it can offer. So yeah, this is the square where all the bars are and the fun stuff happens. Still haven't found the old city, but I think I'm closing. I saw a big church there somewhere over there. So yeah, but to be honest, Quito is kind of cool. I like it. Yeah. Right, yeah, so we arrived to this pretty cool looking church, right? You know, if you can see there's a statue there. I wonder how to get there, you know? Massive.
¿Habla español? No? English? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Welcome. Where are you from? Back. And now we are going to the tower, where we will be able to see a lot of city. Yeah. Mostly the $2 entrance to the church. It's only in tower actually. If you're gonna visit the church itself, it's actually $2 I think. I'm not 100% though. So yeah, these there are the stairs, and then you get there, and then there's another ones. There's nothing, like, see, like nothing, and that's where I have to go to get up the tower. And as you might know, I'm kind of really scared from heights, so whew. For a person who's really scared from heights, that was some pretty dodgy climb. Yep, those are the stairs. Next mission to get down. What the view is. Yeah, that's the tower. That's where I just came from. Looks pretty neat, right? Woo. Okay, guess I'm done with the church. And next, I don't know, just explore the rest of the city. Yeah. I really want to go to that statue there, if you can see it, but I don't think I can do it tomorrow, and I really don't think I want to climb there. So I think I might take a taxi or something, you know, I don't know, but probably tomorrow. Hola, hola, hola. World is so small. Like, as I said before, you keep meeting the same people. Just met a girl. I was in the same hostel in Medellin, and she'd been here for a day or two already, and she said like that statue there, basically that you shouldn't walk there because it can be sketchy all the way up, because you said there was a black market or something. But yeah, well, as I said, I don't plan to walk, I plan to take taxi, so we will see tomorrow, you know, we will see. But now I'm apparently heading in the direction where the presidential council and all that stuff is, and she said there's quite a lot to see, so pretty cool square. It's called presidential castle or something. The residence is over here, and you can go in there if you have a passport. But I don't have it with me, so no presidential residence for me. Chola, cholita, para abajo, salgo. So yeah, imagine, gym, swimming pool, all free. For free. Don't need pay. Don't get this in Europe. And the view, just mountains all around. There's actually a cable car going up to the very top, I think. But yeah, I'm not sure really how to get there.